We'll take a quick break, come back with more on Sports Wrap next.
We interrupt this program to activate the Southeast Michigan Local Emergency Alert System because of an emergency affecting this area.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Oakland County and southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ortonville or near Holly, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ortonville around 6:30 p.m. Oxford around 6:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lakeville, Lake Arun, and Leonard. This includes I-75 near mile marker 96. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Oakland, Michigan.
This concludes this message regarding the activation of the Southeast Michigan Local Area Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to 760 WJR for more information.
We're Sky Gordon here, speaking